When you're selling out there and when you're meeting, so how do you today in the COVID times, how do you actually go out and start prospecting? And, like I get like 400 emails a day. And I can tell you, I hate email more than anything else because I have to spend so much time. So if I don't know somebody today, I don't respond anymore. I just can't. I can't physically read all the emails. I can't physically. I mean, it's crazy. And if I'm away from the office, away from work for 2, 3 days, I've got 1,200 emails. I might read 200. How do you prospect today and go out to find prospective clients?
It's really not a lot different than before. I mean, the means of doing it is different because you can't be physically with somebody. But you know people, and people that you know other people. And I know that you got 400 emails, but if you got an email today that the tagline was Brad Powell wanted me to talk to you, would you look at that one?
Yes.
Why?
Well, because I know you.
So the idea would be to get referred to somebody on a favorable basis, somebody that will at least give you the time of day to at least have that very first conversation, which gets you, you've got about 10 seconds max to make a pretty good impression with somebody. And I've got 10 seconds with you, maybe face to face, maybe on the phone, maybe we're texting back and forth, however way we're doing it. I've got about 10 seconds to make a pretty profound impression on you, enough that you want to talk to me more about what I have that might help you. And that's what we try to get people to do. That's why with LinkedIn, everybody's lined up. Everybody says they have so many followers. If they really do, if they know those people well enough that I could mention my name or your name, and they would see, be referable to somebody else, and that's what we try to get people to do. It's a lot harder to do that because it takes a lot more homework, but it's a lot easier than doing 500 texts to somebody and getting one person that might bite, that might be interested.